So today we are going to be opening up Acid Rain Reborn Trooper. So you'd open it from the bottom. If you like the review and you want to find one of these guys, they're at like Big Bad Toy Store. They range between 20 and 30. Let's see where do you open this. Do we pull that?
Yeah, you gotta pull those tabs. No, those tabs. Yep. Both of them.
So a nice little styrofoam right here. He comes with a gun, a helmet, an extra helmet, and the figure itself. Let's get him out of the bag. So here's the figure. Here's the legs. Well, you can't really open it much. Yeah, it's holded by a joint right there. You see it, right? Hey. So there's that piece. Now let's check out the accessories. We open the accessories.
Take it easy not to break anything.
Here's his gun. And here's the helmet. So you'd slip the helmet on like right here. Like this or so. Yeah, we're probably gonna put him in like warm water to get all the joints off. But the helmet would basically slip on. Then he has his gun right here, which fits in good. His helmet should fit on with some warm water. He has a pipe on the back, so you could add something to his back. His legs bend this far. He has this little thing right here, so I'm guessing, yeah, that's the swivel. It swivels all the way, this goes all the way back, and goes all the way forward. Same for the other leg. The arm stretches all the way forward, goes all the way down, can go all the way around. The head, I don't think it could really move around since the little plate. Oh. Nope, I did not break that. I got really scared for a minute. But yep, as you just saw, that thing could plop off. Same for the right arm, can go all the way around. The shoulder pads are glued on. Arm bends all the way. Hand swivels. And a little piece right there for the hand to move like this. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Bye.